Now we are going to illustrate the garment on the croquis we have just designed. If you want to design several garments, then print the croquis and then you can design on it. I suggest not to use those ruler lines, those guidelines. You can erase them and then get it printed. And quickly we can design our clothes on the croquis. It looks so simple and it is very easy, honestly. Practice how to illustrate garments, how to illustrate jewelry, accessories, and how to drape, how to, show falls on the of the fabric. Start with simple and structured garments first, and then later you can move on to some more detailed and heavy outfits. On croquis, you can easily brainstorm, you can visualize how your garments are going to look. Also, you don't have to pay attention to details like I'm doing. You can just pay attention to the garment because that's what your main focus is. You don't have to draw faces or hair. You can just focus on the garment. Following the similar practice, you can illustrate more detailed and ethnic garments like so. I use mechanical pencil for such detailed work, and it's just very simple. You can stylize them according to you. Like I make those hairs, which makes my illustration stand out. So you can find something like that. Now we are going to trace the croquis we have just made, and for that I will place another A4 sheet on the croquis, and now I will place it on my iPad like so. You can use light box or maybe some people use TV. So I will just draw on the visible silhouette. You can also use black carbon paper. It makes the process very simple, or you can get them printed, but pencil is erasable, so I prefer to do this. Now we are going to illustrate the final garment. The earlier one was a quick sketch. Now we're going to color this as well. So I'm quickly illustrating a dress, and I'm keeping the hair long, and I will change the hand position for now because this looks more stylized. I'll add some accessories like hat and bag and boots. I'm also adding some face features. You don't have to, it's not necessary, but if you like face, you can add them. Now I will be erasing the extra lines so that I can color them easily. Now using a fine liner, I will trace all these lines, and now I will see you in the next video.